Now we're going to assume that both the capacitor and the inductor are ideal. In other words, they've got no parasitic resistance, that hasn't got any parasitic inductance, that hasn't got any parasitic capacitance, and there's no resistance in series or parallel with them. So see if you can simulate that.
Okay.
In the same way as...
For that we have to add resistors also? No.
No.
Same capacitance and inductor.
Yeah.
Capacitance on one and the inductor on the other. In reality, there'll be a tiny little resistor here, there'll be a tiny little resistor here, there'll be lots of little resistors all over the place.
Oh.
But just simulate it as if it didn't have. Now the other case that we could do is this, but we can't do it. So we could do a circuit like this, but we can't do it because the input is the same as the output. So a way in which we can implement the parallel, of course, is to do that, and then of course it would work. Or we could put a lumped resistor in here or whatever. There's various different ways we can do that. But just do what I would call the series one first. So the current's going to flow through here, and we're just going to look on here. Now you can put the scope across here. You can put the scope across here, which is effectively what you're doing inside the potential divider, isn't it? And what I'd like you to do is design this filter, because it's going to have a peak that looks like this. I would like you to design that filter to operate at 10 kilohertz. So this is the maximum here at 10 kilohertz. Assuming it is a maximum, it might be a minimum. But I want you to find that peak or trough at 10 kilohertz. And the equation you need is Fc equals 1 upon 2 pi root LC. Okay? So design that for me, show me the simulation of that with either a maximum or a minimum, or let's reason through whether it will be a maximum or minimum. What do you think? Do you think that it will be at the top there? Or do you think it will look like that? What do you think? What do you think? Well, I'll leave you to think.